Hello everybody, I'm Meishi Jiejie. Welcome to my kitchen. Last time, we prepared the dough and fillings for our dumplings. Today, let's make dumplings together. First, let me show you how smoothly, silky our dough is. It's good for our dumplings. Take part of them, knead it. We need to cover the rest of them to avoid evaporation. Roll it into a soft bar to the thickness you like. Then cut it into small pieces. Put some dry flour to avoid them sticking together. Press each piece with your hand. We use the palm of our hand to flatten them. Roll them into round pieces with the rolling pin. Use your one hand, hold the piece with your thumb and index finger. Another hand, roll the rolling pin. Flatten them. The center should be thicker than the edges. You should make sure that the dumplings won't burst when you boil them. Many people like thin wrappers. The Chinese make dumplings when family and friends are together on holidays. You just imagine the heartening talk and animate atmosphere created while people are sitting together to make dumplings. Let me finish the rest of them, then let's make our dumplings. Finally, let's make our dumplings. Hold the piece in your left hand. Put a suitable amount of filling onto the central part. Fold two sides together. Press it firmly with your two thumbs. Make sure free from leakage. Make another one. Let me finish the rest of them. Our dumplings are done. They are beautiful. Let's boil our dumplings. Next time, I will tell you how to boil the dumplings in details. Let's check our dumplings. It's tender and juicy. Delicious dumplings. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.